Welcome back to the ABCs of Real Estate. I'm Sarah Taylor. Today we're going to talk about the letter U, and I'd like to discuss unrepresented sellers. That means the owner of the home is wanting to sell the property without the use of realtors. Now, I know a lot of people think this is going to save them money since they won't be paying real estate commissions, but the statistics year over year put out by the National Association of Realtors shows that for sale by owner homes actually typically sell for thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars less than if they were to hire a professional to take care of that for them. Some of the things that sellers find most difficult about marketing and selling their own property is they don't have access to the MLS, and 51% of buyers find their homes online. Only 4 to 6% of buyers find a home by a yard sign or an open house. So you're really limiting your pool of buyers when you're just putting a sign in the yard and trying to sell it yourself. One of the other things that's concerning is of all the real estate cases that end up in court, over 70% of them are unrepresented sellers. So they just don't understand the intricacies of the legal forms to best cover themselves from liability the way that a realtor can do. We have quite a number of forms available to us as realtors, and they're constantly being reviewed and edited with legal counsel. And so the forms are really thoughtful to protect the buyer, the seller, and the agents. So if you're not going to make more money and you're going to end up spending so much time scheduling showings, letting the home inspectors in, you're trying to take on all this extra work as you're trying to relocate, box your house, and move, it just might not be as smart of an idea as you think it is. I would love to talk more with you about the value a realtor brings to the table. If you have further questions, please reach out to me directly at 928-607-3015. My goal in life is to sell your home for the most money possible in the shortest amount of time, and my track record shows that I'll do a great job for you. I look forward to connecting. Take care.